Hi friends, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah. Today on this Technology Tuesday, I'm going to talk to you about the Atlas generator. Join me. I'm standing here in this 2022 Atlas. It's sitting in our showroom right now, and I had some questions earlier today about what does the generator actually do for this model. And here's my answer. It powers the entire rig should you need it. So if you're out camping somewhere, you're driving along the highway, decide you want to sleep in a parking lot for the night, you can run your generator and power your air conditioner or power your heat pump or power the rig itself, and you're good to go. Or if you're out exploring somewhere and you would like to leave the rig for the day and go explore something while you leave animals back here, for example, and you want to keep it to a certain temperature, you can set this generator up to turn itself on and turn itself off automatically based on low voltage. So if your power supply gets low in your batteries, or if you have a certain temperature in here you want to maintain with the air conditioner or heat pump. Very, very handy feature. And it runs from your diesel tank. And there's a safety feature built in that if your diesel tank gets to a quarter tank or below, it will shut the generator off and won't run. So you won't be stranded out of gas somewhere in the middle of nowhere. And it has a turn on, turn off timing. So if you want it to come on at 9 in the morning and go off at 9 at night and only operate during those hours, you can do that as well. Let's check out the basic functions on the screen. So you can see the basic functions here. I can have automatic generator start disabled or enabled. I can have it on low volts or HVAC load depending on my temperature controls. I can set quiet hours or quiet time. I mean, you can see all the functions on here of what the generator is able to do. I can have a max run time, so save gas or save energy or whatever I want. But it's a really handy feature that's on this Atlas. That's all I have for today's Technology Tuesday. Should you have any questions about the Atlas generator or any other driving model, or any model for that matter, give us a call, send us an email, check out our website. Better yet, stop by. We'd love to meet you in person and show you around. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.